Hi, my name's David Summerfield, and I've been asked by some of the residents of Wimbledon Park, 28 Wimbledon Park Road, to assess the pointing on the property. And we've got basically a soft London brick that has had pointing carried out in places over the years, but it's not correct. The correct pointing should be using the lime mortar that this was originally constructed with, to a depth, a minimum depth, the same as the width. This pointing that's been carried out, even on the front, though it looks good, is very thin pointing, and it just lifts off. It's been buttered on with not sufficient key, and more importantly, it's the wrong material. And this is repeated all over all elevations, so that this front elevation looks good. It's using the wrong material and it's to the wrong depth. In my opinion, the whole of the rest of the elevations need cutting out the pointing to a correct depth and repointing with a like for like material, i.e. lime mortar and an aggregate that matches the original aggregate. What will happen? Sorry,
Karen, I was just going to ask what happens to the brick.
What happens to the brick is when you've got a harder material like this cement, that the water will sit on the ledges and erode the brick. It's known as spalling, so you'll get spalling all over the brickwork. And just as you can see there, because the mortar is harder than the brick, it just breaks the brick away as it comes away, and that's known as spalling, and that just continues and continues. So this is really inferior pointing, and it's been poorly done, and in my opinion a waste of money. So
How long should it last?
If it's done properly, a minimum of 25 years. And that's what we get. If that was lime mortar to a correct depth, we will get no spalling. You can hear this, how hollow this mortar is. It just hasn't been done properly at all. And if it's going to be done, it's going to be done properly.